Hey guys, it's me, Leila and Leah, and today we are going to be making edible slime, and that is marshmallow slime. And so we already have the marshmallows in, and we're going to put it for 1 minute. So that, okay, my sister's going to stay right here, and while I go put them in. And my mom changed her mind. We need to put it in 40 seconds. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button. And don't forget, I'm going to go check on the marshmallows. And this is our first video. And let me go get the marshmallows. Subscribers. Oh, guys, here's the marshmallows. And I'm gonna be mixing. Wait. I wanna put. Wait. Oh, my goodness. I wanna put the cornstarch. No, we need to mix it. Where's my spoon? I have it! I had it under my book rack. Oh. Sorry, guys. Okay, we're just gonna mix. Leah! I'm gonna mix. Ow! The spoon is hot, Leah.
It's very hot, baby.
Leah, move your hand. Okay. Oh, no.
Leah's gonna pour the cornstarch.
Yes! Oh my god. Yes. They don't want to hear us fight. We're not fighting. It's just Leah's acting so funny. Look at, I have no shoes on. See? Now we're going to add the cornstarch. Cornstarch. And the cornstarch makes it, makes it not hard. So, yeah. Alright, guys, I'm just going to keep on mixing. Oh, God. Okay. So, I'm just going to be mixing, guys. And this is actually so fun. This is not hard. This is our first day making marshmallow edible slime. Oh, we already made some, and it's good. It looks like it's finally coming together. And we're gonna put oil. Hold on, guys. Get you to pass me. No. Can you just give it to me? You're gonna put the oil. Hey, is that what I think you're watching? Rick and Morty? Can I put it?
A tablespoon
A tablespoon of it.
of oil.
My mom's gonna put it. Leah's gonna put it out. There we go. Now we just mix. Now I have
kind of oil.
Yeah, y'all could use any kind of oil. Mix too. See? I want to mix too, Mom. Okay, my sister's gonna mix because she's being a crybaby. You shouldn't do this video. This is edible slime. We can't ruin the fans. Did you just use
A little more cornstarch.
Did you hear that? She just told me to just mix. Yeah, that's exactly a awkward word.
Let's see.
Okay, let me. I'm gonna
cornstarch.
mix it. Put a little bit of cornstarch, and we're gonna be continuing with our hands. My mom's gonna take it out because it's super hot for us. Like super hot. Mommy,
Wait.
chef. take it out. Oh, it's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. Oh, guys. Yeah, calm down. It's hard though. Oh, guys, did you see that? Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry, big fans. Oh, I'm sorry. It will never happen again. And if you want us to keep on making videos, just comment down below. Yeah, just comment down. Like we'll do any video. Did you just click it? Okay, good. You clicked it. We could do any kind of video. We could do our morning routine, our night routine, all whatever routines. But a lot more than whatever you want us to do, we'll do it. Right, Mommy? Yeah. My mother said yes. Oh, and guys, just make sure our phone number.
No phone numbers.